Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to hide profile picture on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open WhatsApp. From here tap on three dots, then go to settings. From here go to privacy. Here you can see profile photo option, then tap here. Now from here you can see who can see my profile photo settings, and here you can see four options: everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. If you select everyone, then anyone can see your profile picture, and if you select my contacts, then only people in your contact list can see your profile picture. Or if you select my contacts except, then you can choose any separate contacts. Now if you select nobody, then your profile photo will be hide and no one can see your profile pic. And that is how you can hide profile photo on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.